In the aftermath of last week's attacks, some are wondering who can be held responsible. Others are asking who literally can be made to pay. Lee Kreindler has litigated a lot of cases involving disasters, including the crashes of TWA Flight 800 and Pan Am Flight 103. Mr. Kreindler, good morning.
Good morning.
You've been hearing from some family members of victims. What kind of inquiries are they making?
Mostly, Brian, I've been hearing from lawyers, family, friends who've been asked to help. They just want a general idea as to what their rights are, what the future may be like. Can anyone be held responsible? If so, who?
And what are you telling them?
I think the families are in good shape legally. They're in terrible shape emotionally, obviously. But the law will support the rights for them to get compensation, for them to recover.
I know there are a number of people who are listening to this right now and going, hey, wait, that's just not proper. We're still grieving. This isn't the appropriate time to be talking about this. Do they have a point?
Of course they have a point. And let me make it perfectly clear that we're not about to file any lawsuits. That's way down the road. There are many more important things. But on the other hand, to properly represent these people, there are things that have to be done, and that's our job. But we're not rushing into court. We're not filing.
You have worked on litigation, as I said, in the TWA 800 and Pan Am 103. How is what happened on Tuesday enormously different?
Well, it's unprecedented. It's larger. There are more people involved. Legally speaking, it's far more complex. But there is a relationship between Pan Am 103, for example, and this disaster. After Pan Am 103, we had worse legal problems. We were looking at a more dismal future than we are now for the families of the World Trade Center.
Who's liable in a case like this? I mean, is it the airports? Is it the airlines? Is it the World Trade Center? Who's liable?
There are a number of possibilities, and again, I'm not throwing out accusations or anything of that kind, but in answer to your question, let's start with the terrorists. There may be legal responsibility. It may be possible, actually, to recover from Osama bin Laden and his organization. Countries may be involved, like Afghanistan, possibly Iraq, the airport security.
What would you be looking to do? Freeze assets of theirs that are in this country?
That's one possibility. It's not the only possibility. We have a statutory setup now that we didn't have 5 years ago. It resulted from Pan Am 103. And our law does support the right to sue, in that case, Libya. In this case, who knows? It probably Afghanistan for supporting, harboring the bin Laden group, possibly Iraq. The complexities are enormous, and I don't think we have time to go into all of them. Yeah. But it is within the realm of possibility.
I'm sure we'll talk again then. Lee Kreindler, thank you. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.